Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your name in Clash Royale. Let's get started. First, open the Clash Royale and wait for the game to load. And then here, tap the three lines on the top right corner. Next, tap the settings, and this will open the new main menu and where you can adjust your account options. And right under the audio section, you'll see an option called Name. Go ahead and tap Change. Then, the first name change is completely free. If you already used that, the next changes will cost gems. 500 gems, then 1000, and it increases by 500 every time after that. Type your name carefully because gem cost gets expensive. Once you're happy with it, tap continue and confirm your new name. And that's it. Your Clash Royale name is now updated instantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.